Greetings, it's Chris. I want to show you guys how to take a PDF file and shrink it to something smaller. Keep in mind that file uploads within NCOPE Tracker are designed to be no larger than 10 megabytes. Here's a good example. If we go ahead and take a look at our PDF file here, we can see that it's roughly 17.5 megabytes in size. There's a free web application called Small PDF that's capable of shrinking them down. Let's go ahead and drag and drop the item here. If we wait for just a moment, it will go through the step and you'll see you're now down to 767 kilobytes. You also have the option to copy it over to your Dropbox or Google Drive, or in this case, obviously, you're going to want to download a copy so that you can upload it in to NCOPE Tracker. So now we have a reduced file size that retains the same standard page count, and it will definitely be compatible with the 10 megabyte limit within NCOPE Tracker.